Good morning, students. So today we are going to start with the question banks, okay, from the topic quadratic equation. So board already provided the question bank for algebra and for geometry. So from that, okay, I am going to solve each and every examples from the question bank. So today we are going to start with the quadratic equation. So here the first question is given on the quadratic equation, which is of 1 marks. So first we'll complete the 1 marks question, then we'll go for the 2 marks question and 3 marks question. Likewise we'll go. Okay. So write the given quadratic equation in standard form and also write the values of ABC. So here the equation is already given, 4y square minus 3y equal to minus 7. We have to convert this equation into standard form. What is in the standard form? Standard form is nothing but the form which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This form is called standard form of the equation. So we have to convert the above equation into standard form, and after that we have to write the values of a, b and c. So how will we convert? So first of all we will write the equation 4y square minus 3y is equals to minus 7. After that we will shift the minus 7 here to make ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it gives you 4y square minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0, which is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. This is the standard form. Okay, so I've got the standard form of the equation 4y square minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. If you compare this equation with above equation, then you will get the value of a as 4, b is minus 3 and c is 7. Okay, so we have complete this example of 1 marks question. I hope you understood. Please copy down fast. Okay, so this question was very simple. Okay, in this we have converted the equation into a standard form. After that we have got the values of a, b and c. Now we'll come to the another example. Now here for the second question I am going to start. Write the roots of the following quadratic equation. Write the roots of the following quadratic equation. So here the quadratic equation is given, we have to just find the roots. Okay, first is given, that is value is given p minus 5 in one bracket, in other bracket it is given p plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, these are the equation which is given in bracket form. Okay, so how will we solve this equation? So we will solve this equation. Okay, first the two brackets are given, p minus 5 into p plus 3 equal to 0. So we will separate this equation. Okay, how will we separate? First we will write the question again, p minus 5 in other bracket p plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so question is says that write the roots of the following quadratic equation. So this is the quadratic equation and we have to find the values of the roots of the equation. So we will separate this first of all, p minus 5 equal to 0 or p plus 3 equal to 0. After that this minus 3 will go there, it will give you p equal to 5. Okay, and when you shift this plus 3 there, so you will get p equal to minus 3. So these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So what will we write? Therefore the roots of given equation, given quadratic equation are 5 and minus 3. So this is the answer. I hope you understood this example. Write it down fast. Now we'll come to the next question. Okay, now we'll come to the third example. The third example we'll see, the question is given in the form of, okay, here if a equal to 1, see the third question, if a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to minus 5, then find the value of the value of b square minus 4ac. We have already know this formula, b square minus 4ac. This is the formula of discriminant. What is the formula of this? This formula is known to be a discriminant. So here the values of a, b and c are given. A equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to -5. And we have to then find the values of b square minus 4ac. And we have to find the values of b square minus 4ac. So how will we write? First of all, we will write the values of a equal to 1, b equal to 4 and c equal to -5. After that, we will write the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b is 4 square minus 4. What is the value of a is 1. What is the value of c is -5. So 4 square is 16. Minus minus plus 4 5s are 20. So when you add, what I have done here, 4ac is given, means 4 into a into c. So I have written 4 in bracket, a is 1 in the bracket, c is -5. Okay, the minus minus will become plus and 4 5s are 20. 16 plus 20, how much you will get? 36. So this is the value of b square minus 4ac. Understood? So this complete the example number 3. Copy down fast. Now we'll come to the next question, that is question number 4. These are the 1 marks examples. After that, we'll come to the 2 marks example. Now here, the fourth example is given. The fourth question is given. If b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, okay, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, okay, then write the nature of the roots of the given quadratic equation in each case. We have to find the nature, then write the nature of the roots. Write the nature of the roots for each given case. Now how will you simplify this? It's a very simple, it is just of formula type example. Okay, there are 3 conditions are there which are given in your textbook. Okay, the b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, there are 3 conditions for this. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then what is the nature for less than 0 and for equal to 0? So here we have to just write the nature for these 2 only. Okay, so question is given that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means the value of this will be positive. Greater than 0 means the value of whole term will give you positive value, positive integer. If you are getting positive integer, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. And here if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means the value of this term will give you negative integers. Okay, means b square, if after solving b square minus 4ac, if you are getting negative numbers and negative integers, that means the value is less than 0. And then write the nature of the roots of the following each cases. So how will you start? First we will write for b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, the roots are real and unequal. This is the nature you have to learn. Okay, ये first case के लिए हो गया. For the second case, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. Therefore the roots are not real. This is the very simple answer. Okay, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal, and if the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real. Write it down fast. So this is the answer of these equations. Okay, I hope you understood this example. Now I'll come to the next part. I'm writing this. So here now I'll start with the fifth. Write the quadratic equation in standard form. The fifth question. Write the quadratic equation in standard form. We have to write the quadratic equation in standard form. The question is given m bracket m minus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, this is the question which was given. This is the last question of 1 marks example. Okay, so this is the fifth question from 1 marks questions. Okay, so here write the quadratic equation in standard form. The equation is given below. Okay, so I will start the solution. First we will write the equation m bracket m minus 6 equal to 9. Okay, after that we'll multiply this m in the bracket. After that we'll multiply the value of m inside the bracket. When you multiply this m into m, it will give you m square minus m into 6 will give you minus 6m is equals to 9. After that we'll shift the value of 9 here, then we'll give you m square minus 6m minus 9 equal to 0, and this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. What I did, I'm explaining again. Listen here. The question is given m into bracket m minus 6 equals to 9. Then we'll multiply this value of m inside the bracket. So m into m will give you m square, minus will be same, m into 6m will give you 6m is equals to 9. When you shift the value of 9 here, then it will give you m square minus 6m, and plus 9 will shift here, minus 9 is equal to 0. And this is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. So what the question is asking here, the question is saying that write the quadratic equation in standard form, and this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So with this we have completed the 1 marks example. Okay, and in the next lecture we'll solve the 2 marks examples, 2 marks questions. Okay, I hope you understood this example. Okay, watch the video carefully, write the notes. Okay, and be prepared for yourself. Thank you so much.